Sunrise over the African savannah. Leo the little lion cub wakes up, yawning and stretching curiously. Leona, Leo's loving mother, greets him with a gentle nuzzle. Leona announces that today is meant for exploration and fun adventures. Excited, Leo jumps up energetically, ready for an adventurous day. Leo and Leona engage in playful wrestling and chasing under the morning sun. Leona cleverly teaches Leo basic lion cub skills through play. Giggling, Leo practices skills like pouncing and stalking. Leo encounters Shelly the tortoise munching on juicy leaves thoughtfully. Curious Leo asks slow-paced Shelly about her leisurely manner. Shelly teaches Leo about the joy of taking things slow. A galloping herd of zebras captures Leo's eager attention. Leona gives permission for Leo to race with the zebras. Running fast, Leo feels the thrilling wind in his mane. Elephants invite Leo to join their splashing play at a watering hole. Playfully, Leo learns how to use his paws to splash water.